The Adept CIM Centre Mark II upgrade control box with USB running on a touchscreen PC Windows 7 via USB. I'm just going to quickly show you how convenient an MPG wheel is, and that's why we've chosen to upgrade the Adept CIM Centre with an MPG wheel. We've got a piece of alloy plate. We've written a program to cut a 2D profile, and we're just setting the job up to get it running. So using the MPG wheel, selecting X, Y or Z axis, we can very easily position the table to wherever we need it in all three directions. Once we've found our position that we want, and remembering that we can switch between very fine increments, for example, we can switch between 0.1, etc., etc. Once we've got our position, in this case I'm going to keep the cutter in the air because I'm going to run this job as a dry run. Once we've got our position for each axis, we zero the axis X, Y, all three axes, to get Mark III to zero those coordinates. And that means if we were to move the table away from the coordinates that we just set, we can always get it back to that position by simply pressing on our touchscreen, go to zero, and the machine will come back to the same position, of course. So that's the advantage of the MPG wheel. Now the advantage of having a touchscreen, no mouse, no keyboard, there's an on-screen keyboard when it's needed, is that we can do things quite easily. So obviously I've written my program. I can find that program on my drives using the touch. I can check the toolpath, check the program limits, make sure I'm happy with that, and now I'm going to do a dry run. So I'm just going to hit cycle start. And away the program goes. If I'm happy with that, I can then bring my Z0 down to the top of the material and run the job for real. Again, using the touchscreen I can stop, start, etc. Or on the new control box I've also got physical buttons. I can hit stop, stop the program, come back, rewind the program. I can bring the machine back to its original zero. I'll bring my Z down to touch the top of the material using the MPG wheel. And once I'm happy with that position, touching the top of the material, then I can zero the Z axis, and then I'm ready to run the job for real. And there you have it.